This is how we organize knowledge. It all flows along this narrow stream of widely accepted and established methods, wisdom, procedures. It's so rooted, intrinsic, and ingrained that we just participate and cooperate and think within this narrow line without question. Anything that doesn't fit inside this line might be called an anomaly or a mistake, and generally it gets ignored. This structure got us to where we are today. This structure is destroying civilization. What can save us? Let's talk about a new model, a new system based on one of nature's most durable and ubiquitous foundational structures.